He's sitting right in the top of that brush pile. I can see him. There's more than just him there too. There's quite a few of them. And I think he sees it. Come on, get it. Got him. Got him. Got him. I think that's a big one. Took a little bit of fighting. I think that's a great big one. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to get my net. He was sitting right in the top of that brush pile. Oh yeah, giant. Just coughing up shad. Look at this. He's not giant, but he's definitely gonna help for our limit. Look at that, that's awesome.